exposed, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Barry, I didn't like the baby.
My neighbours really do love me. How are you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another video from myself and the lads here at AAA. Today, we have a bit of a mission. Well, I say we, David more so has a bit of a mission. I'm going to meet the lads in the yard, and I think the plan is to make back bumper bars for the Kei truck, the PANDEM Kei truck, because I think it's definitely been missing something down the bottom end of the bottom of the yoke side. It came with a diffuser, but it was more so a universal diffuser and it just wasn't ever going to work. So we're going to head around to the yard and see what ideas the lads have been there. I was hungry, so I went and made food, and they've been over brainstorming, so we'll see what they come up with. Well, lads, I did. How's the brainstorming going?
Brainstorming, what? It was going great until we found out that someone was in the shed and stole your driver's seat of your car.
My driver's seat?
Yeah, where's it gone to break? I feel like I've done this already. Where's the seat gone?
I don't know, Darren. Where's my seat gone?
Put it back. You can't run the car without it. David has a massive headache on his hands here.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't even know what we're doing.
I have a vision, but I don't know where to start.
John, I had a vision as well, but then, like, what I was thinking was having 2 bars.
So we're doing like a bumper bar in the back.
Yeah.
Aren't we?
Yeah. But then what I was thinking was bringing it out and bending it in, but sure, the back of the pickup is dead straight.
Yeah. I was thinking coming across and folding my key like that, at that angle there, look at it.
I think that might look a bit off on the sides though.
She's just like, it just looks wrong on the back. Here, okay, look at it. Here, get a look at this.
I think it's kind of funny looking though, the original mud flap.
Listen, and that's what the wheel needs to sit right there.
Yeah.
And small wheel on it. Here, look, we found out the other day there's a spare wheel in it. See in there?
I knew there was a spare wheel in it.
Well,
I had that planned.
I wouldn't like to get taken out.
They dropped the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Everyone knows.
So yeah, this is a big L. It's been on the cards. But we have a few days now we can look at the exhaust, and we have to do something with that as well.
They make her noisy. Just for the pure fun of it, like.
John, just weld a big bit of 2-inch pipe onto her or something.
Yeah, that's
pointing down.
exactly. Big
right down
shotguns.
I think we need to do something with the exhaust. You know, you can get down the road and you can blip her and all, you know.
Need to get a big truck horn into as well. Here, Dave, what have you putting lights on it? Do you know the lights like I have in my van?
No.
Just down here, look at it. Just a couple along there. Like a truck.
Up around along the back of it, is it?
Oh, that would be.
I wouldn't do it on the arches.
But you know, it's coming in the summer, so you won't even see it.
Whatever you want to do here, this is fucking. Suppose if we had the race plate like that.
Yeah, that's illegal, David. That's like that.
No, it's not. Because then shine the light down onto a better.
Yeah. Can we put a black plate in this, no?
No, but we can, like.
We can, but we're not allowed.
We're not meant to, but let's put a black plate on it. Because I have to order places this week anyway, so I'll order once for it.
Oh, what order, yeah. Do you know something here now, yeah? 3 minutes, that's probably running, we haven't coursed. Don't even say a message. Because remember what we said in the last vlog, we're not coursing anymore. Right?
Try.
Try not.
Yeah, so.
What are we doing? Are we going to bring the bar straight across?
There's no plan made, but there'll be something done.
Do you know what? So you're just going to, David, turn around with him and just tell YouTube that you're just going to bring them on the journey with you.
YouTube, you're here for the journey. Right. So, my plan was, I'm in here working on the Kei truck. Plan was to do a step-by-step thing of what I'm doing here. Step-by-step guide of how I'm actually doing the bumper bars on the Kei truck. But because I actually never done them before, I'm actually just winging it, so I didn't bother. So basically, all I have done in probably about an hour is I have the 2 brackets made for mounting it. I'm gonna weld these two pieces. I cut 2 pieces of 40mm tube, and they're gonna be on like, ooh, look at that. That's not bad now considering I only have a grinder. So I'm gonna weld them on there like that, and then put 2 bars maybe across it. I actually don't really know, to be honest, but yeah, so just to give you an update, because step by step isn't going to work, because I just had to keep on figuring out what I'm at. So anyway, over. We have another progress update. I think this 2 hours was a bit more productive than the first 2, or the first 1 even. So this is what I have done. So I have the tube mounted. I have a slight bend on it there for the top bar. Then I have the bottom bar kind of bent somewhere where it needs to go, kind of following the line of the body. It'll have to be trimmed back. We trim it back somewhere around there. Might put something else up over it. I don't really know yet. So I'm still just winging it. Then I obviously have these support bars in. I was thinking I might try get a little plate there, AAA Customs lasered into it. Why not? And then obviously this is the high-tech bash bar holding equipment. Nothing but the best around here. And I'm gonna make another little jack and point off that. Something fancy. I just don't know what yet. So I think I'm making progress. Is there any new change on it? Anything in the comments there that might suggest something better? Although by the time the video's out, it'll probably fully welded and painted and everything and on it and fitted, so I suppose we'll scrap that plan of suggestions. Over for the minute. Yeah, that's more of that, yeah.
Sorry, just passing through, lads. Don't forget the new rules. Does Rick know about our new rules?
Literally said there.
No language. Don't even think of it. Don't even do it on purpose, because Craig has edited.
Well, just let you know, Rick does not curse anyway.
Oh.
But just to annoy Craig, you.
Oh, lads. David, did you show them your the bash bar?
Vlogged the whole thing. I was going to say the F word there. I vlogged the whole thing.
Bash bar Davey. Anyone looking at bash bar done and you want it a little bit rough, get in touch with Dave. Coleman 89, huh?
I am your man.
Rick, you're doing a bit of paint here, yeah?
No.
So what's the story when I'm what's the story when I'm wrapping up or covering the wing, yeah?
It's funny when they're like,
I'm not. What about the thing?
Gary had a bit.
The truck.
you know, truck, right?
Here, did you tell Rick what we're doing to the front of her? Oh, I told him this morning.
Tell Craig too.
Well, you don't know what we're doing?
We just don't know, you might tell me.
Well, first of all, Greg, hey, new rules are, Craig, you need permission when you want to drive this from now on, okay?
I would actually suggest that next time your car's broken, you hand the key to the grass car.
Yeah,
Like it's, well,
I'll get that thing going during the week.
We're gonna get our tinted out, Craig.
This?
Yeah, clean
we're
up.
going to get the grass car going for you today.
Yeah.
I can actually do it. That thing's killing me on film.
Smash it off.
Yeah, so tinted.
Tinted, yeah?
We did yellow
These
headlights.
black.
Yellow headlights.
Yeah, what you fuck?
Oh, tinted
You
headlights.
feck off!
No, I won't go well the orange.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Jesus.
Black.
Here, what about blacking out the orange and geez, the yellow headlights would be cool.
If,
But
no,
the
I
orange looks
wouldn't
cool.
black them out.
Here, do you know what?
Yellow tint in the headlights, but it can't be orange in the indicators though.
Are they the exact same headlights as the Porsche?
Did you know what they actually
You
are?
know what you can do? You can get the fucking, you know, like the
Rick,
yellow-
Rick,
yellow
Rick,
headlights
Rick.
and all that.
Language.
I didn't say it.
Okay. What were you saying?
The window tint.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get the windscreen on?
No.
When you said 3, I thought you meant the 4.
When I said 3, I meant
We
4.
get them all though.
Yeah, when you said 3, I thought you meant the front 3. I didn't think you noticed the back window.
Well, I get the front one done, but it's not the money that we spent getting the interior done.
No,
We don't
no.
want
Well, we
it's
get
a
dark.
real light one.
Just so you can see like a dark hue to it, like I think it looks savage.
to. Yeah.
You get a bee sting on her as well.
Right, so we're gonna get the hints done. Oh, that's the right chop. Right,
Breaker, we got 10-4.
bash bar, tints, clean her up a little bit. That's her, isn't it?
Need to be cleaned up, like that's the way she is.
Yeah, like that's
like
it cleaned up.
It's a little bit rougher now, which is good.
No, but when I say cleaned up, I meant like, I don't mean like polishing her. I mean just like
A wash.
A wash. Now you have her, Rick.
That's how her shoes into the buff.
Anyway,
We gotta beat the R done.
No.
Craigo, you got the big registration plate in the car.
It is.
Saying that there, right? Yeah. So, let's be fair, Craig. Yeah, you didn't have feck all hassle getting that through, did you not?
No, €56 tax and still haven't taxed her.
€56 tax for the year for that thing.
In fairness, when my twin cam turned 30 years old, I went up to the tax office and changed it from a 1.6 to a 4 litre. And it says here, I'm gonna tax for the year as well. And they're like, oh jeez, you know 4 litre tax is very expensive. I says, it's not. I said, it's €56 for the year. And they said, you know there's 4 months back tax owing as well. So then it cost me about 70 or 80 quid.
Good joke.
Oh,
Geez, shit, sorry. Oh, here, Rick, give us a look at this. Show people.